Hello students, welcome back in maths classes. Today I am going to start chapter 1, that is about numbers. Okay, so I will tell you how to solve the questions of exercise 1. Few questions I will solve and then remaining questions will be given in the homework. So concentrate. The chapter is all about numbers. First of all, I want to tell you basic concepts. Okay, then if you understand the concepts well, you will be able to solve the questions. So the very elementary thing about the numbers is forming the numbers. Means forming a number means if a number is given in a word form, how to convert it into a numeral. Okay, means if I say a number is 232, then this form is called a word form, and when we convert this number by using some digits from 0 to 9, that number is called a numeral. So if we convert this word form into numeral form, we have 232. Okay, both these are same, but it is in word form and it is in numeral form. So this is numeral, and in this exercise you will get to know how to write or how to convert a word form into numerals. Again, if the number is bigger, means a 4 digit, a 5 digit or a 6 digit number, then you should be careful. So I am going to tell you the rules to write the number in this way. So students, be sincere when you study with the help of mobile phones, using the internet, and I hope it is an interesting way to learn something. Okay, first question of this exercise is 100. It is 1600. 1600. Okay, as you know that 1600 means the highest position of the number is 1000. It means it will have, how many digits it will have, if you know then it will be easier. So the highest position is 1000. It means ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So the number will have 4 digits and we want to place the digits at right places, then your answer will be right. So we will convert this word form into numerals. Actually we are translating. स्टूडेंट्स हम ये ट्रांसलेशन कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, आपने ट्रांसलेशन इंग्लिश और हिंदी में पढ़ा है, बट मैथ्स में भी ऐसा होता है एंड इट्स वेरी अमेजिंग. ये वर्ड फॉर्म है, इट्स लाइक अ इंग्लिश सेंटेंस और हम उसको कोई मैथमेटिकल वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं. सो इट इज़ 1600. सो 1000 मीन्स ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here we will write 1. Then it is completed 1000. Now 600. 600 means ones, tens, hundreds. So here we will write 600 because this position, this place is reserved for 100. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. In this way, it is 600. We will write 6 here. But after 600 there is nothing. It means we will write zeros. So 1600 means 1600. So if you understand this, then easily you can solve the other questions. So I am going to solve other parts. It was first part, now this is the second part, 5042. So it is 5042. Okay. So again, how to convert this into numeral? This is 1000. The highest position is 1000. It means ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. There will be 4 digits in the number. As it is 5000, you will write 5 here, and after 5000 it is directly 42. It means no hundreds is there. As you can see that in first part there was 100, but in this part there is no 100. So at the place of 100 we will write 0. Okay. So ones, tens, hundreds we will write 0, and next is 42. As you know, it is a 2-digit number, 42. So we will write 42. It means 5042 is equal to 5042. So this is a word form and this is numerals. Both these are same. The difference is in the way of writing or the difference of language. It is in English language and it is in maths. So mathematically we are converting the word forms into numerals. It is 5042. Okay students, if you want to note something, you can pause the video and note. Next is, I am going to solve third part. Okay, third part is 7000 900 7,986 and 86. Now see again, the highest position is 1000, means इसमें 1000 के बाद आगे कुछ नहीं है. वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स, थाउजेंड्स, 10,000. तो इस तरह से जब हम पोजीशन काउंट करते हैं तो 1000 के आगे कुछ नहीं है. सो वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स, थाउजेंड्स, it is 7000. So you will write 7 here. Then after 1000 it is 900. 100 means ones, tens, hundreds, and how many hundreds? 900. So we will write 9. Okay. What is after 100? It is 86. Direct 86. As you know, we have 2 places left, and in 86 there are 2 digits. So we will write 86, and the number is 7,986. So this word form is equal to this numeral. Now students, I hope you got it. बिल्कुल आपको अच्छे से देखना है, वीडियो को धीरे धीरे देखना है, ठीक है, बिल्कुल स्किप नहीं करना है. मीन्स ना तो इसको फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करना है और ना ही इसको किसी भी पॉइंट को स्किप करना है. आपको बहुत धीरे धीरे वीडियो को देखना है. जहाँ पर भी आपको कुछ नोट करना है, either in your rough notebook or in maths notebook, you have to pause the video and note it down. And next question is about writing the word form when the numerals are given. Means second question is just opposite to the first question. The case will be reversed. In second question we will have this numeral form and we will have to convert this numeral form into word form. So I am going to solve second question. Second question, I am solving first part. The number is 2, 4, 0, 5 and 6. And here I solve second part 4, 0, 0, 0 9. Now what we have to do, this is a numeral, means ये डिजिट्स को यूज करके एक नंबर लिखा हुआ है, इसको वर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है, कुछ इंग्लिश जैसा दिखेगा, ठीक है, जैसा कि हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में देखा था. सो जस्ट स्टार्ट काउंटिंग द डिजिट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर पोजिशन, वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स, थाउजेंड्स, 10,000s. 10,000s means it is 24. Okay, so we will write 24,000. Then after 24,000, this is 0, means ones, tens, hundreds, but it is 0, so 0 is nothing, we will not write anything for 0, and it is 56. So the number is 24,056. Okay, for this number again count the positions of digits, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So when you reach up to 10,000, you will include 2 digits, as in the first question it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, so we'll include these first 2 digits. Okay, in this way. Now for this numeral, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, so we will include first 2 digits, as it is 40,000, and there is 0, 100, ones, tens, hundreds, so we'll write nothing, and no tens, ones, tens, 0 tens means 0, then it is only 9. And it's very easy to understand that if you see there are 3 zeros, means no hundreds, no tens, only ones, so at ones position there is 9, so you will write 40,009. Okay students, in this way you will convert a numeral into word form. I hope you understood these 2 questions well, and on the basis of this I will give you the homework from first and second question. Okay, and this is your homework. First question is, write the numerals. A number is 80,000, 900 and 30. Second question is, second is 5,000, 36. Okay, and second question is, write in word form. First part, write in word form. So first number is 80511, and second part is 67725. Okay students, I hope you enjoyed this and try to solve these questions as a part of homework. So enjoy the learning, stay at home and stay safe. Okay.